Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about my Chicco high chair. This is my son's high chair. I got this about 1.5 years ago, and my son started using it, I would say, at about 5 months old. That was when he started lifting his head up like all on his own, and he could properly sit up. And I started giving him like oatmeal and like a few other solids. So that was like perfect time for this. I love Chicco brand. You can see it's it's not huge, but it's also it's pretty compact, but it's also not like taking up too much space, and it's also not too small. So it's just like right in the middle. I was looking for something that was not too fancy and that was very simple. So they have like all different high chairs in the market, but like I said, I wanted simple, I wanted easy to use, and I wanted something that I could definitely get some use out of. And Chicco brand is great for babies. I've used their products for other things too. I have a bunch of things that are Chicco. So if you guys would like some more information on my Chicco high chair, which they make different ones, just be sure to check the video description for that. So the first thing I want to tell you I love is that it's on wheels. So it's very easy to move. And I have a porch off of my kitchen. So I could simply, if it's a nice night and we want to sit outside, I can simply just roll it outside, and it's very easy. It's easy to maneuver around if I want to put him in the living room in the high chair. If I want to move this so I can clean the tile floor, I can. And it's super easy to clean. That's another thing. So this actually has a plastic cover over it. So I leave it on, and it's very easy to clean. I usually just use like a Lysol wipe. It has the cup holder, as you guys can see. So you could leave the bottle or the cup on there. And then I want to tell you guys about this cover, this padding cover. So the padding cover, they tell you just spot clean, but I have I've definitely made a mess out of this. Like, I've given my son messy foods and it's greasy, and I've had to take the whole thing off and wash it. Now, I'm very careful when I wash it. I only put it in the hand wash cycle in the washing machine. Like I said, it doesn't say that you could do that on the instructions, but I've done it like several times and it's totally fine. I've done that at least 6 times. And this is what the padding looks like. My son is like, he's a little messy. He's not using like a fork or spoon yet. So he's, self-feeding. So I do have to go ahead and I take the handheld vacuum, and that's how I usually clean the padding. Now the padding goes all the way down here. It's pretty thick, it's soft, it's comfortable for him to sit in. It comes with this strap. Now he's 19 months old, so I don't strap him in anymore. There is a place for, this is like, his feet go in between this. So right now he doesn't need to be strapped at this age, but definitely when he started using this, I had to strap him in. So I definitely suggest that, especially if you're like, leaving the baby in there and you're cooking or something, you want to make sure that they're secure. So this is the middle of the strap. And then this is like the bottom. My son's feet don't quite touch it yet. I would say you could use this for a couple years. It's great. And if you have multiple kids, then it's even better. Then you get more use out of it, and you could just roll it. I could roll it up to my kitchen table, and he can comfortably have dinner with us. This is the back of it. So it tells you what the material is made of. So it's 52% polyester, fiber batting, 48% polyurethane foam pads, shoulder pads. It comes with 2. I don't currently have them on there. That's optional if you want to use it. That's made from 100% polyester fiber batting. The crotch pad is 100% polyurethane foam pad. And then they have, I want to show you guys the bottom here and the back. This is what the back looks like. So the foam pad goes right over this. It had snaps. Oh, and then this can get lifted off. And also on the back here, there's a little latch here. So if I want to push the seat up so my son can sit upright, I can. If I want him to sit down right as much as here, it goes down that much too. This comes right off. What I was doing, I do take this off now, comes off to the side. But what I do now is I just left my son out of it myself. I just put the seat all the way back and he easily lifts out of it. But sometimes now I have to like take the whole thing off. But when he was easier, all the time I was just pulling him in and out of the high chair, just because it was like, it was easier to do that than to have to remove the tray. But the tray is, like I said, it's easy to remove. It has plenty of space, so I could leave like his Cheerios, his snacks on here, whatever he's eating for dinner, and whatever snacks, and I can leave his cup here, and he will sit and eat and have plenty of room and space. And like I said, it's perfect height, so it just pulls right up to my kitchen table right there, and he can have dinner with us. So it's really perfect. If you need a high chair and you don't want anything that's, you know, too crazy, you don't need too much, you need something simple, I definitely recommend this Chicco high chair. And it comes in different colors. I did get gray. I figured it was unisex color, and you could use it for a girl or boy. So I figured, you know, I knew I was going to have a second baby eventually. And I figured instead of getting blue or pink, just go with something neutral. So that's why I went with this color. But like I said, if you want a specific different color, you can go with that too. They come in different colors and stuff. So this is very simple, perfect high chair, easy to use. It was easy to put together. It did come in a couple pieces, but I would say my husband put it together in about 20 minutes. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video on my Chicco high chair. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thanks guys, and have a great day.